Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Hogwarts Legacy not opening. It's easy. Click here and then type background apps, turn off this option and then close this window, and after that go to graphic settings, enable this option here, and after that go to Windows settings, Windows update settings, and once you're here click check for updates. Now just install the updates that you can find here and then restart your PC, and after restarting your PC open task manager and go to memory, click on memory, and now just close all applications that takes your memory like Google Chrome as you see and uTorrent, and that's it. In task, and after that right click on your desktop here and click NVIDIA control panel. Now once you're here click use my preference, move it to performance, and then click apply, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.